The goal of this event as a whole, and what we aim to get out of it, is to bring people who are working on AI, wanting to adopt AI, and who have solutions for AI all together in one place.
How can I inspire AI community to be interested in manufacturing, but also manufacturing community to be understanding where AI can benefit them, and then bring them together? Because in the end it will be a collaboration.
For us, what's been very useful is actually networking with people, meeting people, hearing their stories about how they want to use AI, how they're currently using it, but also meeting other technology providers to see how we can work together and collaborate. And I think that's really important for us attending events. So I think it's been really fantastic for us.
I think one of the keynote speakers mentioned the growth of AI, and the amount of monetary value it's worth now is exponentially going up. So you need to be in it just to keep abreast of things and make sure that you are not getting left behind as a business.
Most organisations are on the same page. So it's like everybody's facing lots of different challenges. It's kind of one big bag full of challenges that all look very, very similar and sound similar.
So we're an industrial intelligence technology company helping manufacturers with their data and AI journey. So it's good to see the challenges that people are having, good to see some use cases as well, and relevant people from industry talking about how we can help manufacturers achieve their digital goals.
AI has a special significance to the MTC in that they have so many skill sets and a diverse range of technologies here, and that is something that AI requires. So we find that AI is very much lends itself to metrology, digital capabilities, data science, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, software engineering, and all of these functionalities are under the same roof. So I think, it's the perfect place to come and do an AI event.
So I would definitely recommend attending this conference. Being a solution provider, we attend lots of events to try and generate business and get leads. And for us, what we found with this event in particular is the quality of attendees. So for us, it's been really refreshing to go to an event and actually listen to people and speak to people who we think we can work with.
I would recommend anyone to attend an event like this, but come with a shopping list. Especially if you know in advance who's going to be there. Get your coffee, get connected.
This is the manufacturing hub for the UK. So why wouldn't you come here?